Kayak features, strengths, weaknesses. Kayak has become a dominant force in the online travel aggregation space, primarily due to its comprehensive search capabilities and user-friendly interface. At its core, Kayak is a meta search engine, meaning it doesn't sell travel directly, but instead scours hundreds of other travel sites, including airlines, hotels, and online travel agencies, OTAs, to present users with a wide range of options and prices. Key features include its flight search, hotel search, car rental search, and package deals, allowing users to compare options across various providers in one place. Kayak Explore is a unique tool that allows users to discover destinations within a set budget, a fantastic resource for spontaneous travelers. Price alerts are another crucial feature, notifying users when prices change for specific flights or hotels they are tracking. Who is Kayak for? It's ideal for budget-conscious travelers who prioritize comparison shopping and are comfortable navigating multiple booking platforms. It's also beneficial for those seeking package deals or exploring different destination options without a specific location in mind. The strengths of Kayak lie in its breadth of search coverage and the tools it provides for price comparison. The interface is relatively clean and easy to navigate, and the price alerts are genuinely helpful for securing deals. Furthermore, the Explore feature provides a valuable source of inspiration for travelers open to new experiences. However, Kayak also has its weaknesses. Because it's a meta search engine, the final booking always occurs on a third-party site, which means Kayak has limited control over the booking process or customer service issues. This can lead to frustration if issues arise during or after booking, as users must deal directly with the airline, hotel, or OTA. Price discrepancies can also occur, as the prices displayed on Kayak are not always real-time and may not match the final price on the booking site. Finally, while the sheer volume of results can be beneficial, it can also be overwhelming, requiring users to sift through a large number of options to find the best deal. The user interface, while generally good, could benefit from more advanced filtering options to narrow down search results more effectively. In conclusion, Kayak is a powerful tool for travel research and price comparison. Its strength lies in its ability to aggregate information from numerous sources, offering a comprehensive overview of available options. However, users should be aware of its limitations, particularly the potential for price discrepancies and the need to book through third-party sites. By understanding both the features and limitations of Kayak, you can leverage its strengths to find great travel deals while mitigating potential frustrations.